No. It was going to be really good if it didn't go wrong.
Tubbo.
That makes no sense. That makes no sense. That makes no sense to me. Why did I not win there? That makes absolutely no sense to me. I should have won that round. It wasn't even my fault at the end of the day.
Oh.
It was Wilbur.
Hello? Oh, wait, I just realized Techno's a different color and that confused me.
Can we let Techno
the
talk?
Electrical.
Why do people go to electric?
It's on a. I think he took the vent thing.
Who? Oh, you think someone murdered Dave and then took the vent?
Yeah, because the body is like right.
Technoblade, how do we know it wasn't you?
I was running with Techno until he went.
I guess you just have to have faith.
That's exactly what you would say if it was you, isn't it, Techno? I've already voted for Wilbur, but next round.
No,
I'm
saying I was with Techno most of the round, and then I stopped off at storage, and he went on to
Once he went to electrical, I walked in with him to find the body.
Oh, okay, that's fair.
I'll say what I did because for some reason everyone's chatting.
It's Wilbur!
I went in, I did 2 admin tasks, and then I went straight to medbay, submitted a scan, and then I said, right, my next thing's an electrical, so I'm going to go sit on security. Got on security, and then the body was found. That's my.
That sounds like someone pretending to be innocent would say that.
Hey Tommy, have you heard of game throwing?
Pretending to be innocent. Yeah.
Who were you like watching in navigation?
Oh, I was watching Techno.
What's game throwing?
That's why I said I was with Techno on the right side.
It smells like a Wilbur play, but I'm gonna skip it.
It
Thank
does
you.
smell like a Wilbur play, but I'm also just gonna skip.
Well,
thank you, Phil.
You could have allowed to make content. I have to just die every round.
Yes.
I agree that it sounds like a Wilbur play, Phil. We leave this right. Oh shit. Take a break. The summer will be okay. Hello, Charlie. Where it began, I seemed to begin to notice, and then I noticed that he was not strong. Was it the spring? When spring became the summer. I bet it's Shovel. Ethan Price, thank you for the prime. I've got to really zone in right now. I've got to really fucking zone in. No! Technoblade, no! You bastard!
Oh, thank God. Thank God he's dead.
Okay, dude.
Techno self
me in it, so.
Where was it found, Techno?
It was in the it's on the right. It's on the right side.
You monster.
Like how far, like in a room or in a
Somewhat
hallway?
upper right.
Wait,
it says Shovel's dead, or does she
I
think
think that I'm glitched and I'm supposed to be dead now.
Okay. What I think happens is we will find Shelby's body next round. It doesn't.
Okay.
I see whereabouts Techno. Was it like near the top of the ship or the bottom of the ship?
It's sort of upper. It's on the far right. I think it's like
whatever that place is called.
I think there's like.
I can vouch for Will. For
I was in weapons and didn't see this body, so I think Techno's thinking of navigation. I think he's thinking of navigation.
Yeah, navigation. Yeah.
Guys. I have an idea. Okay, so I saw Charlie, Blue, and Wilbur in electrical.
Bastard,
and I was following Phil's around like a madman.
You manipulative.
I saw Phil's do the main task in navigation, and the bar moved like straight away as he walked away. So I think he's basically safe. And there's still
Phil's safe.
Yeah.
Who was on cameras?
I was on cameras at the end.
Oh,
Will. I was on cameras.
You didn't see anyone over that side of the ship?
I saw Tommy.
I also have
I saw Shovel. And I think I saw Techno as well.
If you were on cams, you might have seen me.
I'm telling you, I really think.
Why am I not pink anymore? I
like that. Good work, Tubbo. Good work, Tubbo.
I can vouch for Techno. He literally could have killed me. Like,
no.
Yeah. There was literally no one else. I went into reactor and he could have killed me.
Oh, it might be Blue Stack. It might be Blue Stack. It might be Blue Stack.
Will,
I think it's Henry.
Why?
Come on, Wilbur.
Stay with me the whole round.
No, I've got tasks to do.
Do it and kill me. Do it and kill me.
What? You should calm down, man. I'm just saying.
Body pop!
Do it and kill me, 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 do it and kill me.
That's my bad, my bad.
That was
my
Will.
bad.
I watched Will do it. Will did it. Will did it right at the start of the round.
Oh my god.
No, I guess we just skip. Like.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was Henry simply for the fact that he was so happy to jump on the. I can vouch for Techno, who is the one person I was worried.
I think that's pretty sus.
I think it's Techno and Scott.
I think I'm done on my tasks.
I'm gonna follow around Henry.
Just stick with
I think I've got like 3, 4 more.
I think it might be him, chat. I think it might be him. Okay, let's see. Oh, I have tasks. Oh shit! Yeah. Real Tubbo. Oh god! If only I encountered the fake Tubbo. I'm so glad I haven't yet. I'm so glad I'm yet to encounter the.
Charlie just killed Phil.
I literally no. I swear to God, I just saw some fucking.
Techno seen me. Techno was still in the hallway. Techno seen me.
Scott, literally.
His name, Sun Tzu. After
I trust Charlie.
in the state of Wu against its neighbor Chu to the west, a book.
Literally walked in there. I walked in there. Scott killed someone. The moment I walked in, he reported the body.
Exactly.
I like walking.
Techno does it so good. He's so
Techno, did you see anyone die?
No. I like walked up and then I walked
Techno
down.
during that round walked into a room with just me, and he
so
didn't
scary.
kill me again.
Scary good.
I'm voting for Scott.
So basically, I went with Will right at the start because I was done on my task, and so was Tubbo and Techno were there, and then Will decided.
I had to leg it across.
Let me speak. Will had to do his download, and then for some reason, no one went to reactor. I went over. Phil did it. Techno was there, and it fixed with only one person doing it, which was weird.
No, I was in the south.
It was on cams. And then Charlie stood in the middle of cafeteria, not moving the entire
You
thing.
actually can't tell me. So.
And then he killed Phil.
What do you mean? I didn't move in the.
I don't know, dude. I don't know.
I was doing the leaf blowing.
I mean, I definitely seen you murder Phil.
I did the leaf blowing, and I went all the way to the left. Didn't you guys all see me on the right when I ran through?
If it's not Charlie, kill me.
Sure, it's fine.
Kill Scott, and if it's not Scott, kill me.
Kill Charlie, and if it's not Charlie, kill me.
I'm not gonna make this play.
I didn't.
Actually, I could, but.
Techno and Doubt, please kill Charlie.
Just email me if anything ups Topaz.
I think it's genuinely Scott.
I think it's Techno.
You just refer to Techno. Techno in
The
doubt.
fact that he said that I was in cafeteria for half the round.
I thought you said Techno in doubt.
Who saw me on the right side?
Please kill Charlie.
Oh my
god. Why are you not
Charlie and Tubbo?
It's literally a double kill away.
No, there's 5 left.
Yeah, thank you, Topaz. Just email me if anything bad's happened or anything. Usually all the internet's just bullshit, dude. What is
All right, can we actually kill Scott this time, please? I don't want to.
No,
wait,
Charlie, because it's you. Charlie, you literally got seen killing Phil. I don't know why you're trying to play it.
Yeah, what do I do?
Techno!
Literally,
it's Techno! Thank you, Peepo Ellie, for the 4 months. Audacity for the Prime.
No, it's Charlie. It's 100% Charlie.
50-50.
I will give.
Guys,
I bet £1,000
Just let
it's
Tubbo
Charlie.
speak.
Give me an MCC coin if I vote Charlie.
No, I will.
Same. I'll vote Charlie if I get a coin.
No.
Wait, this is bribery! This is bribery!
I will give everyone an MCC coin. If I'm not.
This sounds like what an imposter would say.
Bribery.
Can I please say something real quick?
Like he literally said last
Just let Tubbo talk!
We walked down at the beginning, didn't we? Yeah?
Yeah.
Did anyone else see Techno enter admin?
I think the game's a little bit buggy because I realized what's happened is so Charlie
Scott,
did actually
shut up,
move,
man.
but he was invisible when he did second reactor, so that's why he went from the middle and then
Yeah,
murdered
that
Phil
whole
with
round
hands.
where you were like, oh my god, it was Charlie. He was stood
Tubbo, you're so clever, you're so
Yeah,
clever.
you
Tubbo, don't let them overshine you, Tubbo. Tubbo, shine, Tubbo, shine!
But I literally went to the right.
To a chair room.
Oh my god, this is so fucking...
Techno, if you voted into a chair room and I saw you in admin, that means you must have used the vent to get into admin.
Isn't that the chair room? It's in the
Techno!
middle.
No, that's just happened.
Please vote Charlie and
Can we
finish
please
your
vote
tasks.
Scott?
Vote
I
Charlie
know,
and finish your tasks.
Why would I press
Tubbo, just Tubbo, go with your gut, go with your gut.
If it's not Charlie, it's gonna be so obvious who it is.
Yeah. Please.
I can't believe this man.
Are you serious?
Oh my god.
Fucking just because he doesn't team with Dream every fucking MCC, doesn't he have to fucking throw him out the spaceship?
Come on. Oh wait, we're nearly doing that task. Come on, boys. Come on.
So it's Techno and Charlie. It's Techno and Charlie is what we've come up with.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
cool.
think
Why is it? I was literally hanging around in cafeteria.
Just vote Techno!
Actually, it's Techno and Charlie.
I say we kill Techno first. No,
I'm still want to kill
Scott.
Scott.
Between Scott and Charlie.
Charlie
So I say we
first,
kill
and then we
Techno
finish our
first, 'cause
tasks.
everyone's
I still want to kill
Charlie
Scott.
first and finish our tasks.
I
Charlie
I
first and
literally
finish
still
our
want to
This
kill
is so
Scott.
infuriating.
Who
Charlie
do I
first
vote for?
finish our task. Charlie, Tubbo. Charlie, and then we finish the task, and that's all we need to do. Because at the
Wait,
moment,
what
we
actually,
can double kill and
what
win.
actually made me mega guilty? Or
Techno,
like, what
Techno,
made you sway your vote?
Techno,
Because I
just
swear Scott said nothing's different.
Tubbo, just vote
Literally
Techno.
murder Phil in front of me. Phil sat
Yeah,
here.
I literally saw you murder
All I
Phil in
know
front
is
of
that I
me.
saw.
Thank you.
Whatever.
It's Charlie
Oh
Techno,
my
but we
God.
just finished
kill
our tasks
Scott.
now.
Just kill Scott.
No, Charlie, we won't because it's you. You liar. You murder him.
This ain't looking good for you, Technoblade.
I still don't know.
What's it gonna do? Tano, what can you do now, mate? What are you gonna do? What can he do? Don't kill Wilbur. Don't do it. He's gonna. He's just following Wilbur. Oh, Techno, that was a shit play. Why would you go down there and back? Kill him now. Oh, no, Technoblade. You bastard. Where's he gone? Oh, they've got to know now. They've got to know. Surely. Come on. Up. No, don't split. No. Up. Everyone go up. Everyone stick together. Please, Technoblade. Don't outplay them. Everyone's just following. Holy shit. Tubbo. What are they waiting on? Who hasn't done their tasks? Tubbo, don't be alone. Tubbo, don't be a... Tubbo, no. Tubbo, no. Do your task, Tubbo. Do your task.
Oh, thank God. Who still has a task left? There is one task left.
Me, I'm trying to
It's
do
Tubbo.
it.
I'm literally with Tubbo, trying to
Okay.
help him.
Oh,
Well,
why
stand
did
with
you
him so he doesn't
report it? I was
die.
Tubbo, the oxygen is going off. What we'll do is we'll just vote skip. You go and do your task and we win.
Can we just
Okay.
vote off Techno? It's so clearly him. Everyone else was
I mean,
accountable.
it definitely is Techno. But
Yeah,
I'm
so
happy
we can just win now. There's
Okay.
no...
I tell you what, even though it is
You're
Techno,
dead, Techno,
they
that's
should
what's
literally be a bit
Okay.
more like Tubbo.
Can I please just be a crew member for once in my life?
Techno, you didn't skip it, Tubbo, before we did...
Extra odds, please.